Hello traders, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about euro versus the US dollar, about a massive sell-off, about a major crash, more than 153 pips, and the sell-off could continue if the dollar index will approach and reach new highs. So first of all, as always, please read the risk disclaimer. It's important, and also please email support if you have maybe questions about services, subscription, brokerage companies, or any other questions. Please follow us on Instagram. Please visit our YouTube channel, so Learn to Trade on YouTube, and you can learn a lot from our videos. You can set reminders. You will get a notification every time we will upload new content. And also, if you want to follow our trades, to get our VIP content, market analysis, webinars, videos, tutorials. So please access the link posted right below this video to become a VIP member, and also use this coupon, this code 21 off, to get a 21% discount. Thank you guys. So first of all, let's take a look here. Yeah, an amazing sell-off after failing here to stabilize above the broken upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, after making a new higher high, jumping above 1.1669. And let's take a look, guys. So from yesterday's high here, one moment. So yesterday's high, the price has increased as much as 1.1692, guys, and an amazing sell-off here right now. Yeah, more than 155 pips drop, sell-off, and 1.33% drop. And right now euro versus the US dollar is almost to hit 1.1529 static support, the weekly S2 as well, which is seen as downside the target as well. So also let's take a look on the dollar index, very important. So on the euro versus the US dollar, we had a descending pitchfork, only false breakout above the upper medium line, and here on the dollar index we have something like this, only false breakdown here below the lower medium line of an ascending pitchfork. Right now the dollar index continues to increase, is strongly bullish, and yeah, it could approach and reach the weekly R2 resistance 94.43. Also we have something like a static resistance 94.50, guys. So it has ignored all these, the 93.72, all these immediate upside obstacles, 93.72, the weekly pivot point, the weekly R1 94.02, the immediate downtrend line. So this amazing rally registered by the dollar index forced the euro versus the US dollar to drop. And maybe you are wondering why we have this amazing and strong sell-off here on the euro versus the US dollar. Let's take a look on the economic calendar. So here, very important, Eurozone CPI, Consumer Price Index flash estimate. So the CPI flash estimate 4.1% growth. Actually, yeah, it has reported 4.1% growth versus 3.7% expected. Also, the core CPI flash estimate 2.1% versus 1.9% expected. Also, Italian prelim CPI 0.6% reported versus 0.4%. Actually 0.6% versus 0.4% expected. Let's take a look also here. One moment. So also French prelim CPI, Consumer Price Index 0.4% versus 0.3% expected. So better than expected. Higher inflation in the eurozone. In the eurozone forced the euro to crash right now, also after ECB. So right now we'll have to wait here to see how the price will react around 1.1529, around the weekly S2 here. Yeah, because this is a support zone, support area, but yeah, after its failure to stabilize above the upper medium line, maybe the pair will resume its sell-off. But after this amazing sell-off, we cannot exclude a temporary rebound. If we cannot exclude the possibility of the price to rebound, to come back maybe towards immediate resistance levels before maybe dropping deeper or something. So we'll have to keep an eye also on the dollar index, also on the euro versus the US dollar. You already know from my analysis that we have a strong negative correlation between the dollar index and the euro versus the US dollar. So further growth registered by the dollar index could force the pair to drop towards fresh new lows, guys. So it seems that we had something like this here, technically in the short term, only something like a flag, a continuation, maybe pattern. Let's take a look. I will clone this this line, maybe something like this. Yeah. So only a flag. I will take a look on daily. So please take a look here, guys. So I talked about a major head and shoulders pattern in my previous webinars, in my previous video analysis. So an important sell-off here after dropping again below this potential neckline, an important drop sell-off here below 1.1602, 1.1612. Yeah, and this bullish engulfing here after reaching maybe 1.1529, after reaching this low here, 1.1529, only false breakdown, a major bullish engulfing here, signaling maybe a temporary rebound. But right now, after today's major sell-off here, and if the price will maybe make a new lower low or stabilize below this support zone, former support zone area, below these former lows, then maybe the euro versus the US dollar will resume its downside movement. And as you already know, this head and shoulders reversal pattern is still in play. So let's take a look here and let's measure maybe this. So around 5.16% drop may be expected, 636.8 pips. So something like this. So personally, I believe that making a new lower low could maybe signal something like a major downside movement, maybe here in euro versus the US dollar. Let's take a look. Maybe more than 60 pips, 600 pips, sorry. So it could maybe drop, I don't know, maybe towards this former low in the coming weeks, months, on the medium to the long term. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Don't forget to use this code, this coupon 21 off at the checkout to get a 21% discount. Follow us on Instagram, guys. Please visit our website for more services, for educational materials. Please visit our YouTube channel. You can learn a lot from our videos. Here is the link, Learn to Trade Forex Signals, or you can access the link posted right below this video to become a VIP member.